Hi guys, welcome to another episode of Travel with Tony, and we are at Tuff Gong. And I'm here with Emil Carr. We are parring again, and we're gonna, take a tour of the pressing plant. So Tuff Gong is located on Bell Road, right?
Yes, on Bell Road. Yes, on the rehearsal studio right there. So we're gonna go back there. And pressing plant is around the corner. And here's
So guys, welcome to 220 Marcus Garvey Drive, home of the Making of the Music tour. My name is Nicholas and I'm going to be your tour guide today, all right? So where we're heading to right now is the largest recording studio in the entire Caribbean. Now this studio is so large, my friends, I don't think, and I can guarantee, you've never been in one so large yet. So here we have the wonderful studio lounge where the artists come, kick back and relax, get a little medication for a little inspiration. Then they make their way inside the studio. So guys, welcome to Tuff Gong Studios. Watch your step. So where we are right now is the recording booth of the studio. So a lot of great musicians have come here, made their music here. Now this studio is not limited to one set of persons. Doesn't matter who you are, where you're from, book your studio time, the studio is here. So guys, this studio here, as I said, anybody can use the studio. This studio is not restricted to any one person. So you could be dancehall, reggae, hip hop, R&B, it doesn't matter. The studio space is here for you to use. All right. So let's make our way over to the wonderful master control room of the studio. So we have a wonderful mural right here with different Bob Marley pictures collaged into one big Bob. So guys, welcome to the master control room of the studio. Now this space right here, our engineers, the top engineers in the entire Caribbean, use this wonderful space to do their thing. Now, a lot of persons know the musician to be doing the music, yes. But the engineer, he's the one that basically, transform your little regular music to the #1 hit song that you hear around. Now I give out no spoilers, but a scene of the Bob Marley movie was shot in there. I ain't going to tell you guys what scene, for you guys to come and find out yourself. So guys, where we're heading to right now is the only vinyl factory that is up and running in the entire Caribbean, as a matter of fact. All right, not just Jamaica, but the entire Caribbean. So let's make our way, guys. So guys, welcome to the vinyl factory. All right, let's go. Now this equipment right here, this machine right here, is a machine that we ourselves use to make our vinyls across the world. All right. So here we have the wonderful extruder. The extruder is what gives us the puck so that we put it into the machine here. We have our hydraulic press and we have the wonderful, basically a very, very, very large oven. This is what heats up our label. And over here, we have our trimmer, or what I call it, a large knife. All right, so basically this is where we use to make our vinyls. All right, so what we're doing right now, getting our vinyl ready to be made, slow purging the machine to get everything that is backed up in it out. Get that out. So for those who never know, a vinyl, small PVC pellets that is heated up into what we have our pulp. So small plastic pellets, that's what it is. All right. The small plastic pellets are added into the hopper, which comes through barrel 1, 2, and 3, heated to a certain degree, and that is how you get our mold. All right. So here we're going to make one right now. All right. Let's go.
And it trims here.
Right. Oh, this one. That's basically the basic idea of how to make a vinyl from here. All right. So from the extruder to the press to the trimmer, we get our vinyl. All right. So this is the modern equipment that we use. Over this side here, we have the equipment that Bob Marley himself used. All right. So here, All of these equipments were used by Bob Marley himself, guys. So here we have the LP machine, which gives us a regular large vinyl that everybody knows. And then over here we have the 45s. It's basically the smaller vinyl. And I know some of us feel like say we're old, but we're not old. But I know we all know what a cassette is. And for those who never know, a cassette machine right here. So this is what a cassette is made from. All right. So here, this is basically our vinyl factory, guys. Come down to 220 Marcus Garvey Drive, and we get to make our vinyls together. All right. So our next stop is going to be Studio B. Studio B is where guests come and record their song, and we airdrop the song to them. So guys, don't feel like say you can't sing. Once you come inside here, everybody can sing. All right, let's go, guys. So guys, welcome to Studio B. This is our recording booth right here. So in this studio, this is where guests come and record their song. Whether 2 songs, One Love or 3 Little Birds. And don't tell me someone that cannot sing, because everybody in here can sing.
Right, which song am I gonna sing?
3 Little Birds.
Which 3 Little Birds? You mad?
Does everybody sing 3 Little Birds?
No, I don't want to sing. Ready, selector. I'm going to be singing. All right, so I'm ready. We are the world.
Wrong song.
Oh, sorry. Woo.
You can hear it?
Oh, yeah. I can hear perfectly. How am I looking on the phone?
Looking good.
Okay. Ready.
All right, so anyone who wants to sing?
One love, one love.
All right.
Just make it easy.
Going 3, 2.
Feel alright. Hear the children crying. Hear the children crying. Thanks and praise to the Lord, and I will feel alright. Let's get together and feel alright. Oh.
So guys, here we have all the albums that Bob has done. In total, Bob Marley has done 30 albums in his time. Started off his musical journey when he was 16, and that's when he did the album The Wailing Wailers. That is a 16-year-old Bob. The legend, Bob's #1 selling album to date, released over 28 million copies worldwide and is still climbing up to this date. So the room that we're heading to right now, guys, this is our wonderful rehearsal space. Guys, welcome to Tuff Gong's rehearsal room. So you call and tell us that you want a rehearsal room to use. The rehearsal room is right here for anybody to come and use. The equipments are here, the instruments are here. So guys, believe you me, come down and have fun down here, because as you can see, we have it, and it's here. So guys, here at 220 Marcus Garvey Drive, Tuff Gong International was originally known as Federal Records. Back then, Johnny Nash asked Bob to come and do a session with him. Bob said, fine, no problem. Got to the gates out there, but as Bob got to the gates, the securities never wanted to let him in. Reason being, Bob was a Rasta man. Rastas were looked at as the outsiders back then. And Bob said, you know, one day I'm going to own this place. His wonderful wife, Dr. Rita Marley, purchased this entire property, and it is the Tuff Gong that we know to date. Largest recording studio in the entire Caribbean, the only vinyl factory up and running in the entire Caribbean, guys. You need to come and check it out. I ain't gonna say anymore. Have fun, come along. What you see right here, Bob Marley's 3-ton international diesel truck. Style left-hand drive, standard truck, guys. So if you don't know how to drive standard, a real man can drive standard, you see? So this truck was used to carry his equipments, and it was also used to sell his vinyl records. The back of this truck is actually up by 56 Hope Road, and anybody who can tell me where the back of this truck is and show me a picture of it up there and get a prize when they come down here. I'm not tell you the prize though, but you get a prize. But so yeah man, the whole entire truck still in a good condition where it is right now.
So we are heading to the factory to get some vinyls. I'm gonna look on some vinyls to purchase. I'm gonna be getting some vinyls. So you can come here, guys, and get all your vinyls, your Bob Marley vinyls to them here. And it says 4,000.
4,500.
4,500 for the Bob Marleys and or 35 US. And then they have other vinyls here that are not non-Bob Marley. 4,000, 4,000. So yeah, I think I want to get the Natty Dread. Although maybe should I?
Yeah.
Yeah.
You should.
And there you have it, guys. My trip to the Tuff Gong Studio has come to an end. If you are interested in booking the Bob Marley's Making of the Music Tour, please visit www.bobmarleymuseum.com/Tuff Gong Studio Tour. Now, the cost to do this tour is 20 US per persons over age 13. If you are between age 4 and 12, which is children, it's 12 US dollars. Children ages 3 and under are free. You can also do a combo tour, which would include doing both the Tuff Gong Studio Tour and the Bob Marley Museum Tour. That cost is 40 US dollars for adults and 24 US for children, and that you can book online. Well, I hope you guys liked this video and found it very informative. If you like this video, please hit the like button. If you have not subscribed to my channel yet, please do for all your Jamaican travel content. Thank you guys so much for watching. Until next time, see you soon.